What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Chef Mecca, back in the building. How y'all been doing? I am really excited about today's video because this is something that I've never cooked before, that I've been wanting to try, so I'm gonna do it today. Salmon patties. So, I know that okay. Even though salmon has an L in it, it is pronounced salmon. For a long time, I was one of those people who would say salmon. And that was incorrect. So it is salmon patties. And so I'm really excited because that's what I'm cooking today. So this is what I have, pink salmon here. And you want to make sure that you drain the juice. I did go through and rinse it a little bit because, that I just wanted to do that, And you want to make sure you have 1 egg, some mayo, some seasoning of your choosing. Some people use juice, like lemon juice, some don't. I don't know, I'll see how I feel. I may squeeze half a lemon juice, we shall see. And breadcrumbs. I don't have any breadcrumbs currently in my kitchen, but I do have some crackers, so I'm gonna crunch those up and put it in the bowl, and that's what we gonna do, okay? Let's get right into the video. So I tilted y'all a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Make sure your hands are clean with, of course, what? Soap and water. Yes, get real. So we want to take our egg, we want to go ahead and crack it. Try not to get any shells in it. That's what I was trying to do, not do. And we want to make sure this egg is beaten. All right, so that is our beaten egg. At this moment, I realized I messed up. You can see the look on my face. Okay, y'all, that took me way too long to get those bones out. I had forgot that there were gonna be bones in this can with the salmon. And I remember my mom was like, don't forget, there are bones in there. You want to make sure you take the bones out. And I didn't realize that till I poured the fish in here. And that's a lot of bones. So I had to take it out and I put it on a plate. Y'all, I'm going to show you this. So if y'all are fish lovers, animal lovers, don't watch this part. When I tell you that I saw the spine of this fish and I just broke it apart. These little, you see that? Those little circular things. That's a part of the vertebrae. The spine of the fish, y'all. Oh my God. I said, here's some that didn't break apart yet. Y'all see that? There you go. And then that's the bone sticking out. These are bones. The spine, Jesus. The spine. When I tell you that freaked me out more than I expected it to, I almost gave up and said, I'm not eating this. I said, I'm not gonna eat this. All these bones in this fish. I ain't never in my life seen the spine of a fish. I feel uncomfortable, okay? I feel very uncomfortable. Y'all, do you see that? No, and it's focusing on me, and I want to focus on this. Y'all. Lord Jesus. Hold on, let me see if I can. Oh, I broke it apart. And I know y'all gonna be like, Mecca, why are you playing in it? And I'm not trying to play in it. I'm just trying to show you that, like, why y'all ain't tell me there was gonna be a spine in this can of fish? Like, I just thought it was gonna be the fish. Not it broken up like this. This is too much. I didn't ask for it. Look, let's do a quick praise break, because ain't that how we are with our Christianity, with our life in being with the Lord, where stuff gets a little difficult or we get a little uncomfortable in life, and we be like, nah, I'm gonna turn around and go back. The moment in our life where it gets uncomfortable, or we be like, yeah, Lord, I don't think you called me for this, so I'm gonna turn my little happy feet back around and go back this way. But that's how it be, right? That's how it be. And guess what? This is gonna be so delicious. Yeah, I said gonna be. We're gonna have some improper grammar here. These patties gonna be the best ever. Just watch. They're gonna taste so good. But let's, make that equal out to our life in Christ. It's just like, it feels uncomfortable for us in our journey through life. And then when we get on the other side of it, we're like, man, this is nice over here. And then you look back, you be like, man, I had to climb Mount Everest to get here. I had to go through a couple avalanches to get here. I had to ski going up the mountain versus going down the mountain. Like, I'm drenched in sweat. My body feels like it's exhausted. I got frostbite everywhere. Got my toes not feeling right. But I'm on the other side. Now that I'm on the other side, I done lost some weight from doing all that climbing. I done, my spirituality done increased on a whole other level with God. I can hear him clearly. I'm being blessed like never before. But what? We had to go through the uncomfortability. Oh, that's a word for somebody. Yes. Okay, that was my little praise break, y'all. So, after it took us forever to take the bones out, and I'm sure there may be a bone or two left in here, but that's okay. When we eat the patties and we feel the bones, we're just gonna take it out and put it to the side after we eat them, okay? That's all right. So, we have our eggs, and we have our salmon in here. So, now we gotta add some mayo, and you always wanna stir it up. So I think 1 scoop is enough. I'll just do like a little bit more. All right, and then we want to add in our seasoning. I'm just using like nature seasoning, all blended seasoning. Not going too crazy with the seasoning, just enough. All right, and then I am gonna squeeze just a little bit, just because I want to see what the hype is about it with using this. I didn't use my lemon squeezer today, y'all, so I'm just gonna squeeze it with my hands. A lemon seed. I'll take that out. I feel like this is just gonna add like a little bit of zest to it, you know? All right. So, clean that up because I got juice everywhere. All right, so now we're just gonna mix the, breadcrumbs. I don't know, like if you have breadcrumbs, use them. If you don't, do like me and just crush up some crackers. This will help hold the patties together. You're probably like, well, Mecca, how much? That's a good question. I will put down below the exact measurements because I don't have the exact measurements at the moment. So I'll be sure to put that down below. But really and truly, just from like my mom's recipe, she just eyeballs it. And so like she'll, you know, stir it all together. And then if she sees that the patties aren't sticking together enough, then she'll add more, you know, so that's what we're gonna do. If I see that it's not sticking well enough, then we're just gonna add some more, okay? Okay. Y'all, I'm having too much fun with this. But isn't it the joy of cooking? You know, I think that's why my food always comes out so good, because I just have a joyous time with cooking, so. Don't worry, you don't have to get your hands messed up on this part yet. For those of you who do not like to get your hands messy, that part is coming soon. You see that? Okay. Let's go ahead and try to form the patties now. So you want to grab like your flat pan, get some olive oil. There you are. I like this size, so I think I'm gonna make them this size. I made that one too big. So this one may break apart because I made it too big, but I like this size. And y'all, it's not seasoned, it's not sizzling because I just turned the eye on. So it's gonna take a minute for it to heat up. But once it does, you'll see it start to cook. I'll show you guys one more time. And try to do it with me, you know. Make it while I'm doing it. Like, you know, form your balls. Your salmon balls while I do it with me, so then you can see how to do it. And the reason I'm throwing it in my hand back and forth like this is to help form that circle, that perfect circle. So then when you're ready to flatten it, it's that beautiful circular shape. See? So this is how mine are looking at the moment, and I'm a little salty. These two are falling apart, as you can see. So is that one. These two are the only ones that are doing really well. I'm really salty, y'all, so I'm gonna make sure that these two are like my perfect babies, because this batch is turning into like a stir-fry salmon patty, which is great, you know, if that's what I was going for, but it's not. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So what I'm gonna do when these get done cooking, I'm gonna spray some butter spray or cooking spray, some cooking spray. And then I'll put the olive oil on top of that to see if that'll help the patties from sticking to the bottom, like here. We shall see, you guys. I'm a little hurt. My feelings are hurt. I'm not gonna lie. My feelings are hurt. And that's all I have to say about this. You guys, here are my patties. They don't look bad. Like I said, these two are just, let's not even look at those. But here, so it looks good. And it's done. That's hot. Same for this one. Okay, you guys. Let's try again. Round 2. Sprayed my cooking spray. Added some olive oil. Let's see if this will work. My roasted veggies. Hey you guys, okay, so the two that I cooked, the last small ones were these two. This one broke apart, and then this one was pretty good. So even though I tried with the butter spray and I tried with the olive oil, it just would stick to the pan. So if y'all have any good tips about how to keep it from sticking to the pan, comment below, please, because the patty stuck together. It was perfectly fine. Like, I have patties that stayed in their shape. You know what I mean? So, so it wasn't the breadcrumbs. It was just the fact that it kept sticking to the pan. And when I'm trying to scoop it up with the spatula, that is me tearing it apart and making it worse. So this was a fun experiment. It tastes delicious. I'm going to show you guys my plate, my assembly, the aesthetics. And yeah, so that's just it. I just wanted to show you guys. These were the babies that just did not make it. And these were the ones that kind of sort of made it. And then these were the ones that did make it. Y'all, so I simply have my salmon sitting on a bed of yellow rice with some roasted vegetables. This is a great low carb, low calorie type of meal, healthy meal. I did not think it was gonna take me this long to cook. But I'm really excited to dive in, you guys. And I just wanna say, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys' support. Continue liking and commenting on my videos, and I'll see you guys next time.